Elizabeth Chambers is an American television personality and entrepreneur. Best known as the founder of the Texas-based Bird Bakery retail chain, she has filmed holiday cooking on the Cooking Channel, The Today Show, and the Food Network. She is also known for film roles in The Game Plan and on television series The Shark and Criminal Minds. A journalist, Chambers is the chief correspondent for the Human Rights Foundation. Elizabeth Chambers was born in San Antonio, Texas, to parents Judy and Joseph Chambers. The oldest of 4 children, her maternal grandmother, Maureen Carnathan, was of British descent and raised in India. She studied journalism at the University of Texas at Austin. Chambers' first job was as a correspondent at Al Gore's television network, Current TV. She has also been a news correspondent for Entertainment Tonight, E! News Now and Access Hollywood. She has acted in the film, The Game Plan, and in television shows Criminal Minds, Two Broke Girls, and The Shark. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.